Hello and good morning. It's a good morning because we are starting our journey today at 3 a.m. We are supposed to pick some people along the way to Sabaki, where we are going to join the rest of the crew, the rest of the convoy that we are supposed to move with for the next 3 days for the trip. Now here we are Sabaki, getting our brief and getting to know each other because we did not know each other before. And that's it, we start our journey. It's going to be one whole interesting 3 days of friendship and fun. This is going to be a 4-part series, and stay with me to the end of the videos so that you can get to see all that we had to enjoy during the trip. For me, this is the beginning of a new trip, and I can't really wait to see how everything is going to unfold. And now I expect the best, and also I expect there to be some low moments in the trip, but all in all, I'm looking forward to an amazing expedition and an amazing adventure, and that is what has brought me on this particular trip.
Morning everyone, we've been nice. We just passed Salama, we are headed to Emali. It's a beautiful time. I thank God for great company, and we're just chilling. That's all, man. Can't wait to arrive. Peace.
Good time, we are at a Sparkle Center. Hii ndio inakaa a little bit of a stopover, alafu tuendelee. Right now tuko Mtitoandei. This is our second stopover, or our third actually. So we have had a couple of stopovers, Mali and a few other places. So hapa hivi tuko branch kidogo. Before we head up to Tsavo. Yeah.
My name is Innocent, aka El Capitan, 10K, and this is the 310K itself.
Yeah.
Very brilliant car. It's
Clean machine.
is what you would call a Subaru Forester.
Yes.
As we call it a SH5.
Yeah.
And this particular model is a 2008 model. It has the 2.0 turbocharged engine.
Yeah.
And particularly the legendary EJ20 engine, powered by the TD04 turbo.
Yes.
And armed to the core with the asymmetrical all-wheel drive system from Subaru.
Nice one.
So I'm putting all my money on this boy. Take me to Tsavo, Lake Chala, Lake Jipe, Tsavo East, and back to Nairobi without any problems.
Hello guys, welcome back. Sasa ndio tunaingia Tsavo. We are Tsavo West National Park. Ndio tunaingia pale, and I'm hoping you are going to have a good time pale. And now just welcome to my channel. This is Just Daily, and this is Tsavo edition of 2024. And I hope you are going to have a good time. We are total like 4 cars, and we are on a trip of around 3 days. I hope you're going to have fun, we are going to enjoy ourselves, and everything is going to be amazing. So guys, the expectations of finding elephants in Tsavo West was high among the crew, and we are have driven 3 to 4 kilometers. We are yet to see a single animal except for the few squirrels along the way, and we are keeping our fingers crossed so that we shall find wildlife. Stick around and see if we are going to find any wildlife. And of course, the itinerary of the day was to drive from 5 to Tsavo West for the day, visit Mzima Springs, also Shetani Lava, and then camp in Tsavo West, and then we head out tomorrow, see more. That shall come on the upcoming vlog for day 2. So let's fingers crossed. We have found these giraffes along the way to Mzima Springs. Apparently there are different kinds of giraffes. Mimi bora tu nimeona giraffe sorted out. Tsavo West is serving views more than wildlife, but it's okay because I love the views and they are fantastic. They are giving us good energy and more positivity in the crew. We are now at Tsavo West National Park. We are heading to Mzima Springs, and we are looking forward to going to have a lot of fun. Yeah. Right here we are at Mzima Springs. We are continuing to view the sceneries at Tsavo National Park. This is Tsavo West, and we are glad you are joining us in my YouTube channel, and we are hoping that you subscribe to that, subscribe to our channel, so that we continue making more content, encourage us to do more, and also like, share to your friends who would like to visit this kind of activities, so that they can view what is around, they can know what is happening. Yeah, and that's it, man.
Hii kitu nafaa kuna kivuli. Kamera zenyewe uogopa juu.
We just came out of the glass hut where we viewed fish. It was such a nice place, and I would really recommend. There's so many fish, and they're just so beautiful to look at. After visiting the springs, this is around 2-3 p.m. we have decided to go straight to the camp to pitch our tents because we don't know if later in the afternoon the best spots in the campsite might be taken by other people, so we'd rather go pitch up our tents and leave some of our tents and gear there right there, then now head straight to the afternoon drive, that is Shetani lava caves. We are going to cover as much as we can within this minimal time of 3 days that we have in Tsavo. So guys, buckle up and stay tuned in.
Now guys, comment on the video if you know what we call this animal. Just comment on the video. They look so fat. Hii inakaa unaweza kelea majioni udishi. So this is our tent setup. We have like 3 tents and yeah, I think we'll have a better setup for the kitchen later on. We just came to set up the tent. Yeah, these are the other guys over there. So these are the other guys over there having a blast. And yeah, after here we are going to what is it called? We are going to Shetani lava for the afternoon.
Let me tell you guys, this road was not for the faint-hearted. It's like it has not been used in the last 10 years. So we went a bit of off-roading, and it was a lot of off-roading. The views definitely compensated for the torture on these roads because hapa lazima 4x4, but the other guys managed. I don't know how, but karibu watu waache samp kwa barabara.
For a while right now, and I guess through all that wilderness, through all that struggle, we are almost here. Yo guys, so we think we are finally here. This is all lava flowing from the volcano. That's the volcanic mountain over there. Or is a hill? Haya, mkikimizwa hapa nasema mtafanya nini? So guys, this is the hustle I'm going through. Bring you content. This is a Shetani lava flow. Mimi hapa ndio tester. I'm testing the grounds for the crew. Time of waiting for the Subaru boys, they finally arrived at the location. Finally arrived. watu wa kupiga picha za gram. Lo and behold, now this is our campsite at night. Yes, and right now we are preparing dinner. These are the tents. We have a wind shield right here. Then you're using the red light for cooking purposes. Yo, my parents is raining. In the left speaker.